The best AI coding tool really depends on your specific needs and coding style, but generally, GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Windsurf, formerly known as Codeum, and Claude Code are highly recommended. Other excellent options include ChatGPT, Tabnine, and specialized tools like Amazon Q Developer for AWS work. Here's a breakdown to help you choose. First up, code completion and assistance. GitHub Copilot is a popular choice for AI-powered code completion, integrating directly into various IDEs like VS Code. Tabnine focuses on privacy-friendly code predictions and is a strong alternative to Copilot. Cursor is an AI-first IDE built on VS Code, known for its strong debugging capabilities and ability to tap into web resources. Windsurf, formerly Codeum, combines deep codebase understanding with real-time awareness and a focus on keeping you in the flow. Claude Code is a strong contender, especially for tasks requiring high-quality code generation and reasoning. Second, conversational AI for coding. ChatGPT is a versatile tool that can handle various coding tasks, from explaining code to architecting systems. Claude is another strong conversational AI for coding, known for its ability to follow complex instructions and generate high-quality code. Next, specialized tools. Amazon Q Developer is designed for developers working with the AWS ecosystem, providing code suggestions related to AWS services. CodeWP is specifically for WordPress development, offering code generation and assistance for WordPress-related tasks. So, what should you consider before picking a tool? Features: some tools excel at code completion, while others are better at debugging or understanding complex code bases. Ease of use: consider how intuitive the interface is and how easy it is to learn the tool's features. Integration: check if the tool integrates well with your preferred IDE or code editor. Cost: some tools are free, while others require a subscription or payment. Performance: evaluate how well the tool handles different coding tasks and its speed and accuracy. Ultimately, the best AI for coding is the one that best fits your individual needs and preferences. Experiment with different tools, and see which one helps you code more efficiently and effectively.